Our goal at B'nai Akiva schools is to provide multiple points of entry and to really embrace the perspective of the whole student. We really want to give our students the opportunities to develop themselves as individuals, healthy both from a social and emotional perspective, as members of the Jewish people, and as learners.
Everyone here cares so much, and the community is so obvious. Like, you can really tell that you have so many people that are there for you. There's never a dull moment at Ulpanat for sure.
I think Ulpanat is unique because of the connections that you build with people and the environment in the school. It's really like you walk through the school and you know people around you, and it's a small school, so it really feels like family. Everybody knows everyone and everyone talks to everyone. It's just really nice that you feel at home at the school.
Well, you could walk into Ulpanat at breakfast one day and you'll see all the girls dancing and singing, and it's really amazing to see that people just, doesn't matter what age, what grade, everyone just comes together.
The Big Sister, Little Sister program is really amazing. It's so great to have a person who's been in the school for already 4 years watching over you, asking you how you're doing, asking you how you're fitting in, always there for you.
The teachers here are amazing.
The connection between staff and students is a really special one in our school.
You really get to know the students beyond their names and what they like or how they can read a text.
Our staff are very approachable and we have a real open door policy.
I've never learned as much as I have at Ulpanat.
My favorite class is probably biology. We learned a lot of really fun things.
Grade 9 Chumash with Miss Lipner. She teaches it with passion, and the class is overall amazing and you learn so much.
I think we could both agree that definitely science.
My favorite class has been dance. Dance isn't just about one person, it's about the whole grade and whole class coming together to make something.
One of my favorite classes in Ulpanat last year was Modern Middle East. We learned about the history of the Middle East and the history behind the different conflicts that happened in Israel. It was especially powerful since we were learning about it during the October 7th war, so we really got a background and deeper understanding of what was happening.
I think B'nai Akiva schools really is for anyone who believes strongly in a good, solid Jewish education and a religious Zionist education, and also who believes strongly in secular education that wants to achieve well in both spheres.
Every class really is relatable to everyday life, and you can learn something from every single Judaic Studies class that you're in that can be applied right now to your life in some way.
We use the tagline so much more than a school. And what we mean by that is that we try as best as possible to offer a full range of programs, Shabbatonim, areas for religious engagement, improvement, connection, growth, so that our students really have a meaningful experience while they're here.
So we have, I think, a wide range of extracurricular activities in the school, where there's so many opportunities that cater to so many different learning styles and interests that I really think that there's something for everybody.
There's lots of opportunities for religious growth in the school, and I was really privileged to participate in JET, which is Judaic Enrichment Program, and it allows me to research any topic that I want in religion and that relates to something in the secular world. We went on grade 11 winter retreat in January, and it was really nice. We had random rooming, which just gave us an opportunity to speak to new people and get to know new people. We were split into groups and we all had to do bonding activities together, which was really nice. And I learned a lot about my classmates that I didn't know before, and we really came out of the trip more as a grade and more together.
SPAC is basically a group that we have in our school where you can volunteer as a student to join it, and you work with the teachers in our school to really just try to make the school a better place. The school volleyball team has also been a very fun experience. It's also about the competition, it's about the skill, but moreover, it's about really just having fun with your team.
Last year I was co-editor for The Batch, which is the B'nai Akiva student newspaper. It was really cool to connect with different students during the whole editing process and commissioning different articles. It was really powerful to be able to give a voice to the students of Ulpanat.
The Shalom Marathon trip to Israel was such a meaningful experience.
My school took me to the For Sake of Argument workshop. There was so much to learn, and they taught me a lot about, their opinions and how to debate different topics and how to really get your point across in a meaningful way.
Ulpanat Knights basketball team is an amazing experience and probably by far one of the highlights of high school for me so far. Not only do I love playing basketball, but it allows you to form bonds with girls in other grades, and I've definitely formed friendships that will last my whole life. Mock trial is actually a great learning experience, and we went to visit the courtrooms, and it really gives you a feel and the vibe of the courtrooms and how everything works. And we come together in groups and we write
like testimonies and opening statements.
I'm really excited for this year and all the opportunities that students have to learn beyond the classroom, to discover new volunteering opportunities and chesed opportunities, all the different clubs and programs that we have beyond just the learning that goes on in the classroom. And I think it's really special to see the different ways that kids can learn and grow beyond just what they learn each day in school.
As the Chesed committee, we come up with a bunch of different initiatives to get students more involved in Chesed because it's such an important part of Ulpanat. So as part of the Chesed committee, we basically connect Ulpanat students to different organizations to get them more involved in the community and different Cheseds. One really important aspect is the Mother-Daughter Night, which happens every single year. When I was in grade 12, we made care packages for Small Wonders, which helps couples with infertility. And also throughout the year, we have different fundraisers, and we also go to Bikur Cholim every Thursday to bake treats for people who are in the hospital.
Kindness Week is also like a week in Ulpanat that Ulpanat dedicates to like doing acts of kindness, and grade 10 is usually in charge of it. It was really amazing to like see so many people do kindness around the school.
I think people should come to Ulpanat because it's a school and you have your learning, but it also has the family atmosphere of like a summer camp, and everyone really has fun together. And there's so many opportunities that you can get at the school, and everyone really grows religiously and as people. And I've seen like my growth and all my friends' growth over the years of being at Ulpanat.
Our ultimate goal is to help our students succeed in life, and we see our responsibility is to give them the tools, hopefully the inspiration and the confidence to be able to reach great heights in all areas of life.
When I walk into Ulpanat, I feel excited,
Supported, connected,
Welcome.
comforted,
happy, at home.